Discord is one of the most popular communication apps. In this video, we will show you how you can generate AI images for free using Discord bots. To generate free images, you need to add a bot to your server. To add the bot, first go to a web browser on your mobile phone. Search for AI Image Generator Discord and tap on the first link that appears in search results. This will open the official Discord website. Tap on Copy Link button to copy the link for the image generator bot. Now open the Discord app and go to your server. Paste the link you copied and send it in the server chat. Tap on Add to Server button. The image generator bot will ask you for permission before you can start generating the AI images. This bot is safe and verified by Discord, so you can tap on Select Server for this bot. Tap on one of the servers. Now tap on Continue button at the bottom. Here enable all permissions and tap on Authorize button. Next, you will need to pass a human verification test by tapping on Confirm. Click the correct images and tap on Verify button. The bot will be added to your server and you can tap on the Go to Server button. In the server, go to any of the channels and tap on Message bar at the bottom. Type / in the message bar and tap on /generate. To generate the image you want, you will need to add some details for the image. First, tap on the Description button and enter a description explaining the image you want to generate. Now tap on Style button. You will get a few different styles to choose from by tapping on it. Tap on Iteration options. Here iterations means number of steps taken for generating the image. More iterations means better image quality. However, it may take a bit longer for the process. For this video, we will select 50 iterations. However, you can tap on one of the three options. Tap on Image Amount and pick the number of images you want. After selecting all the details, tap on Send button to send it in the chat. Tap on Accept TOS button at the bottom of message you get from the bot. Wait a while for the bot to generate the image. Your AI image will be generated. You can regenerate the image if you don't like the result by tapping on this button.